Hey, welcome back to the channel today. Hey, I wanted to show you this new half horsepower electric oil-free air compressor I picked up on Amazon. It's made by Limodot. Some of the items that come with it are a set of wheels, mufflers, little leg there, comes with an extra quick connect. So this particular air compressor touts as being one of the quietest out on the market. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to put some stuff together, show you how it works, plug it in, and let you make that decision for yourself. Okay, so I put the wheels on, and all that is required tools wise to put your two wheels on is a 17mm socket and an adjustable wrench. Same thing goes for the little stand, rubber stand that the front sits on. This thing does come with a quick start guide and owner's manual, so that's great. You got two handles in case you need to load it in a truck to take it to the job site, so you can grab it here, and it doesn't weigh that much, maybe 25 pounds or so. So real easy to maneuver. Now the next thing I'm going to do is put the mufflers on. They even send you some Teflon tape for the muffler. So you want to make sure when you're putting the Teflon tape on that you're going with the threads so that it actually seals for you. And you can just wrap it around. I'm going to do this one here real quick. And right up here, and it's labeled really well, says intake. So you have an intake here and an intake here, and these are the mufflers, okay? So they just thread in by hand. You don't really need to crank down on them. You can just snug them up by hand. And there you go, there's that one. And okay, so these little black plastic tubes are also part of the muffler. There's a hole right there, and you can just slide that in there. And they're a little tough the first time, but they do fit. Okay, so just to let you know, these tubes are part of the muffler. They're a little difficult to get in, but they will fit. You know, I put a little WD on them and then slid them right into place. But these do go on the muffler, so don't forget to do that, because that's part of what keeps it from being loud. And those are part of the muffler part of it. Now I want to show you, I'm going to turn it around here, and I want to show you, you have your bleeder valve here. So, you know, if you've been using it a while, make sure you open up that bleeder valve in case there's any moisture in the tank. That way the tank stays clean. The other thing I want to show you is it comes with two quick connect. So you can actually run two tools off this. Like if you're running nail guns, you can run one off of each quick connect. This one comes already connected on there. This one comes separate, so you need to make sure you get some Teflon tape on there, and then it goes right here. Okay. Now you do have your valve adjustment here. This adjusts the pressure clockwise to, this one's going to be counterclockwise to set the pressure, so that, because different things, especially nail guns, need to be run at specific pressures. This particular air compressor will go up to 120 psi. It runs off a standard 120 volt plug, so you can take it anywhere. You have a little quick on-off switch here, super easy. Got a handle so you can pull it around the job site. Super easy to do that. I'm going to plug it in. I want you to hear how quiet it is when it runs it. It's rated for 68 decibels. Okay, so again, I wanted to show you, and I'll lean it over here, on top of this valve adjustment. So it's clockwise for more pressure, counterclockwise for less pressure. Like I said, you do have two outlets. Just so you understand that this air compressor does not come with this hose or attachment. This is something I already had. However, I'll put some links down in the description, so because you can pick these up on Amazon too. That's where I got them, and use them on your air compressor. Now, I wanted you to hear how quiet this thing is. So I'm going to turn it on now. So you're able to hear how quiet that is, and that's because of these mufflers here. It makes it great, especially for your neighbors if you're doing a lot of woodworking or working on your car with an air tool. Really cuts down on the noise. If you're inside the house doing a project, it cuts down the noise there, so it's real beneficial to you there. Again, you do have a quick bleeder valve here, so if for some reason you're done and you want to relieve the pressure, you can just pull the relief valve and it will let air escape that way. You can use your bleeder valve here to drain it. Here, if you had moisture, you would see water or moisture coming out your valve there. Again, this hose does not come with it, but you can pick it up, and I will put that down in the links. Thank you for taking the time to watch a video. Make sure that you share this with your friends and family. And one last thing, I want to let you know that dads like air compressors. Father's Day is just around the corner. Maybe this would be your dad's Father's Day gift. Pick it up on Amazon. I'm going to put a link down below. It gets great reviews. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And until next time, stay safe.